everything goes dark. So how is everybody doing tonight? I'm so excited for this box break, guys. I have been staring at this box for a week, wanting to rip it open, but waiting. The packs, let me go ahead and pin the packs. There are only 20 packs and 4 of them are already purchased. So there's 16 left. There are the packs pinned for whoever wants to get in on this. Cutter, I know already did. So a little bit about tonight. For each pack purchased, guys, we are going to do a wheel spin. For each pack purchased, it is an entry to this CGC 10 slab right here for this SR from this set. Cutter, welcome in. Let me see if I can get that to stand back up. So that is kind of a bounty-ish thing. Hey, Emerald, how's it going? Hey, Cyrold. Hey, Haven. Welcome in, everyone. So much anticipation. Oh, my God. I have been staring at the clock. And, like, I really wanted to open it, but I was like, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to rip it open until time. We also have some Wheatcross in the bin. Oh, I've got my ways, Jamie. I've got my ways. But you could also get it. You could get it if you buy a pack. That puts you on the wheel. Each pack you buy gets you on the wheel for another entry for it. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and rip this open. We also have some Wheatcross if you're into more waifus. And we have some Data Live in the bin. I'm going to go ahead and get this started because I'm so, like, dying from anticipation over here. Cutter was nice enough to pre-buy. They do have Joker. There is Joker in this box, and there is an SP Joker that you could hit. So, the packs are $20 each. I know that's a lot, but it is an expensive set. Is the music a little too loud? Maybe just at that part. All right. It is open, guys. It is open. Let's crack into it. Cutter, are we still thinking random? If there is a promo, we will auction the promo as well. Are we still thinking random? Yes. Guys, there is a promo. There is a promo. The red hood. It is sealed. So we can auction that off as well. All right, random for you, Cutter. I can't wait to see what's in these packs. Do you want me to preserve the pack art for you? 2, 3, 4. On at least just one of them. Or all of them. All right, we've got your 4 packs, Cutter. I'm so freaking excited. Let's freaking go. All right, I'll cut it from the bottom. Which one is fine? All of them or just one? Mr. Simply Do, welcome in. It's totally up to you. I'm probably going to cut them all anyways. All right, here we go. Here we freaking go, guys. Just one. You got it. Here we freaking go. All right, so far we've got Joker. I'm going to go a little slow on these. Catwoman. Batman Charitable Dealings. We've got Penguin Castle. These are so cool, guys. I don't know what that is, but there's Batman up there in the corner. All right, we take it. Oh, that one is badass. Batman, the Final Showdown. That one is nice. Oh, you got a Harley Quinn Battle on the Big Boat. And that is your rare for this one. You got a rare Harley. And then your climax is an awesome Batman. I know you were wanting a Harley. I'm so happy you got one. Let me put these to the side here so I can sleeve them up here in a second. These look awesome, guys. I am stoked on these. I'll put the rest back in the pack for you. Oh my god, I'm stoked. Okay, so you just want one pack. I'm still going to open them all the rest the same way. Just because. All right. They are so good. They are so good. Okay. All right, we have Nightwing. We have Armored Batman. Joker Amnesia. Oh my god. I guess Joker forgot who he was. Red Robin. Quake. Unyielding Fortitude. Oh, and you got Bat Clan Leader. Is it Ian? Another rare for you. And then a Catwoman for your... Time for some girl-on-girl action, it says. Oh my. All right, let me put these back to the side for you. All right, Cutter. So far, so good. So far, so good. These are looking nice. I am pretty excited about these. How do you feel, Cutter? How do you feel so far? Out of 2 packs so far, how are you feeling? I don't know the hit rate on these guys. I don't know if it's a 1-hit box or a 2-hit box. So we're just going to find out. So far, we love them. Oh, look at that Joker. I love this card. That's a good one. Monkey Horde. Okay. Nightwing, Coordinated Assault. Red Robin, Tea Ceremony. Oh, that's a cool one. The Bat Cycle. That's a crazy Joker. That's an uncommon. Nice uncommon for you. Ooh, double rare Harley. Let's go. Let's freaking go, Cutter. That's a nice one. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell to the yeah. I'm gonna top load that one for you because that's a beauty. Yeah, so far that is my favorite too, but we've only opened 3 packs so far. I'm gonna top load that one for you, Cutter. Give me just a second. Railco, welcome in. Look what we just pulled, Railco. Look at this beautiful Harley. Hiding at work so I can be here. Oh my gosh. I know, you were saying you wanted a Harley so bad. And you got 2 Harleys so far. Let's see what your last pack holds for you. And guys, the Batman Ninja packs are pinned. They are $20 a pack, which I know is a lot, but it's a hard to find set. And the cards are worth a good bit. So with your purchase for each pack, you do get on the wheel. So we've seen that one before. We've seen that one. Oh, there's a Harley Amnesia. Harley Amnesia there. Bat Clan. Ancient Grappling Hook. That one's pretty cool. How is the connection tonight, guys? Oh, thank you so much, Rolco. And there is your rare. You have a Batman rare on this pack. So far, we haven't hit any SRs, guys. No SRs or triple rares hit yet. So the box hits are still remaining. Is it? Is it Lollipop? That's awesome. All right, Cutter, I'm sleeving these up for you. It has fun rules. Okay, sounds good. Bye, Relco. Have a good time at work. All right, let me sleeve these up for you. Has anybody else come in so far? Doesn't look like it. We do have some We Cross in the bin as well. It's $5 a pack. Batman Ninja is pinned for you guys. It is $20 a pack. And these cards look amazing. So good. Joshua, welcome in. I love the Harley cards. My God. You hit that one good, Cutter. That was a good hit right there. And so far, Cutter is the only one on the wheel to win that slab. Each pack that you buy gets you another spot on the wheel. Yeah, hot hands for sure. Here are your hits. That one is freaking gorgeous. There you go, Cutter. Cutter coming in for 3 more. Let's go. All right, just finished sleeving your hits. Yes, these are so freaking awesome. All right, do you want to pick your packs? Thank you so much, Cutter. I love them too. I got them at a local toy shop. I forget what series they're from, but I just really liked the look of them. Welcome in, Can't Be. How's it going? What's everybody doing tonight? Cutter, did you want me to go random again? Or do you have certain numbers you want to pick this time? Are we dark again? Can you see me? Can you hear me? Are we good? Okay, Fire J. Thank you. Cutter might be muted. Okay, Cutter, do you want me to go hot hands again? Oh, you did say hot hands. Never mind. Okay. You're like, read above, please. 1, 2, 3. All right, I got you 3 packs, Cutter. Sorry about that. I can't read, obviously. All right, here we go. 3 more packs for you, friend. I love this pack art is metallic. It's really nice. I am ready as well. Let's do this. Let's get you an SR, or let's just grab you an SP real quick. All right. We've got Harley Quinn, Dr. Quinn, Dr. Quinzel. Oh, there's a cool Catwoman. Deathstroke. Okay. First time we've seen Deathstroke so far. All right. Gorilla Grodd or Grodd, Decoy. Catwoman. I think we've had that one before. We've had this one before as well. And for your rare, a beautiful Catwoman for your rare this time. And then you have some bats for your climax. Very nice, very nice. We take it. All right. These are so exciting. I freaking love these cards. I can't wait to see what the SRs look like. Besides that one, I want to see what the rest of the SRs look like. Definitely, absolutely. 100%. All right, we've got Red Robin. We've got Battle on the Big Boat. We've got Two-Face Castle. That's an interesting card. Oh, this one's cool. It was a disguise. We've got Harley Quinn disguising herself as the Joker. That's a cool one. Castle cards are much fun. I forget, Lollipop, you actually play. So do you have all these cards already? And then we have a rare Joker. Primal Pleasures. A rare Joker on that one. And then your last card is Gunslinger. They're hard to find. I know. I know they're hard to find. Yep, I was, once I found them, I couldn't not buy a box to stream with because I was just like, that's just going to be too much fun. I can't not do it. Here we go. We've got Robin, Reluctant Adieu. Oh, this Harley is beautiful. I know she's not a rare or anything, but that's a beautiful card. Oh, really? You pretty much win, huh? So those are like kind of cheat cards. That's a cool Batman. Nice close-up Batman infiltration. Poison Ivy Castle. Oh, I would love to see a Poison Ivy card. We haven't seen her yet. Giant monkey with a hole in his head. Uncommon is Penguin, Weaponized Wagasa. And then another rare, you have a Joker Balloon. Joker Balloon on that one. That's a weird card, not gonna lie. Very cool though. And then Harley Quinn, we did it. The art is so good. All right, Cutter, thank you for coming back in. Thank you for coming back in. And let me add you onto the wheel 3 more times for that slab. 3 more times onto the wheel for that slab for Cutter, and I will sleeve your packs up for you. 2, 3. Guys, come on in. These packs are wild. Okay, Cutter, have a good one. I'll see you later. Fire Jay going in on the Batman Ninja. Do you want hot hands or you want to pick your pack? It's 1 through 13. Pack 7. All right, lucky number 7. Let me make you a bag here. Fire J. You got it, Fire J. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Would you like me to preserve the pack art for you? Do you want me to cut it at the bottom to save the pack art? This pack art is really pretty badass. And it's a little metallic. It's very cool. All right. Let's see what we've got for you. All right, so far we have Nightwing. And I'm going to go a little slow on these just because I know a lot of people haven't seen these cards. I'm one of them. Robin, Reluctant Adieu. Batman, that's a good Batman card. Poison Ivy Castle. Can't wait to see a Poison Ivy card in here. Joker, Stealing the Limelight. Catwoman, Back to the Present. And you got a rare Joker. A Joker for your rare card. Crazy artwork on this. Oh, that's a cool Climax. That's a Climax rare. Maniacal Feudal Lord. That's a cool one. You're so welcome. I'm going to sleeve that Climax for you as well. That's a really cool one. And I'll put your pack art in there for you. I will also put you on the wheel. I don't know if you heard, but Fire J, you do get 1 entry for... Let me sleeve these up for Fire J real quick. A 100 out of 10. Oh my God, you flatter me. Thank you so much, Kimmy. Off the scale. I am so excited, Kumi. We are doing Batman Ninja tonight. I am stoked. Lollipop Lord coming in for 2 packs. All right, Lollipop Lord. Do you want hot hands? Or would you like to pick your numbers? I know! Thank you so much, Shields. The figurines are so cute, aren't they? 6 and 9. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We also, guys, have the promo I'm going to auction off at the end of the show as well before we run the wheel. All right, here are your 2 packs. Would you like me to preserve the pack art for you, Lollipop Lord? And if yes, on one or both. It's not too much trouble. $20 per pack, Kumi. Yep. It's an expensive freaking box. Let me tell you. But I saw it and I couldn't not do it. All right, I'll preserve both for you, Lollipop Lord. It's an expensive freaking box and they are kind of hard to find. I only got 1 box because I wasn't sure if anybody would want to come in on a box on packs that are so expensive. So I might get more. It just depends on how it goes. But the freaking artwork is phenomenal. Yeah, I know, Kumi. It is the fear, right? All right. So for Lollipop Lord, we have a Robin, Reluctant Adieu. Oh, this beautiful Harley card. I love this card so much. We still have not seen Poison Ivy, which I'm sad about. She is my fave. Batman Infiltration. There's Poison Ivy Castle, which means there has to be a Poison Ivy card, right? Has to be. Ooh, Joker Sadistic. That's a dark card right there. That one's nice. All right, we have Catwoman, Back to the Present. We have Robin. That is your rare. I didn't realize that was a rare right away, but that is your rare for this pack. We still have not hit an SR. Ooh, but that Harley is cute. No Two-Face yet. No Two-Face yet. Yeah, this is from 2019. This is a 2019 set. All right. Let's see what's in your second pack. Hey, Harry. How's it going? All right. Let's see what's in your second pack here. So far, we have a Monkey Horde. We have Two-Face Castle. All the ladies tonight. Heck yes. Red Robin Tea Ceremony. Another one of those beautiful Harley cards. Batman Bat Cycle. I love this card. This one has like such cool colorway to it. Card Watch, welcome in. An uncommon Nightwing Tea Ceremony. And you got a rare Joker Happy Go Lucky. We still have not pulled any SRs. Still have not pulled any SRs. They're hiding. Or potentially SP. And I don't know how many SRs are in this box. The Jokers are so funny. I love the art style. All right, Lollipop Lord. This is Catwoman. Heck yes. But Harley is also up there. Yeah, we pulled a double rare Harley that's really, really pretty for Cutter earlier. Let's get you a baggy, Lollipop Lord. And then Fire J, you are up next. There is, guys, also We Cross in the Bin. I was trying, Kumi. I was trying. I put the full cat suit on, you know? All right. Where's the ears? The mask that I have makes it really hard to see. No, Cutter, we still have not pulled an SR or higher. We still have not pulled an SR or higher. So we are at Fire J. Fire J purchased 1 pack and then Kumi purchased 1. All right, so Fire J, where are we going? Thank you guys for coming in on this. Sacrifice for the team. Oh, thank you so much, Kumi. Second to last. You got it. 1 and 2. All right. Would you like for me to preserve the pack art on this one or no? I'll go ahead and cut it like I will, but yes, please. You got it. Breaking down like a zillion boxes. Oh my gosh. All right, we've got a Catwoman battle on the big boat. Oh, we've got Bane. Big Bane. All right, Gorilla Grodd. We've got an Amnesia Joker. We've got Donning the Mask Batman. Monkey Flute. Yeah, that hairline is something else. Oh, we've got a double rare Catwoman. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Heck yes, Fire J. That's a nice one. And then for your climax common, we have a Bat Swarm. Hell yeah. I'm going to top load that one for you, friend. Yes, I've seen that one with the SIG. Is so pretty. This one is pretty. But yeah, I've seen the SIG one. And maybe we have it in a box. Maybe it's in our box here. We don't know. We can only hope there is a SIG in here. We have not even hit an SR, so they are hiding. All right. This was for Fire J. Thank you for coming in again, Fire J. All right, Kumi, do you want hot hands or do you want to pick your pack? Hit it from the back. Of course you can. Let's hit it from the back, Kumi. All right. And Kumi, do you want me to preserve the pack for you? The pack art? Do you like to keep the pack art? Okay, sounds good. The pack art on this one is so... Yeah, it's super easy. Super easy to preserve. All right, let's see what we get. Ooh, we got a Deathstroke. That one we've only seen one other time so far. I wonder... Hey, No, how's it going? Wonder if that's a good sign. We've got a Nightwing. Oh, we've got an armored Batman. That's a pretty cool one right there. How's it going, No? We've got a Red Robin. Yum. We've got a Red Hood. You've got an uncommon Gorilla. And you've got a rare Joker. That's the coolest Joker card I think I've seen yet. That one is pretty freaking awesome. Not much sparkle to it, just down here, really. Oh, and then you got that Harley. Heck yes. That Harley is gorgeous. You channeled too many waifus this week. Yeah, that climax is so good. Climax is so good. All right, let's put it in your pack here. Thank you so much, Kumi, for coming in. You got all dudes and monsters. I mean, to be fair, it is Batman. Yeah. We haven't seen a Poison Ivy yet, though. And I'm wondering if there is one. Because I haven't seen much of this set, so I'm not really sure what to expect. Gonna be honest. All right, Fire J came in for one more. Fire J, where are we going? Hot hands. All right, I am going... Let's see. I'm feeling this one right here. Hot hands. Punchline. All right, do you want me to preserve for you, Fire J? Just gonna assume. Oh no, not this time. Okay. All right, we will cut and we will throw. All right, we have a Catwoman surprise. We have Red Robin, Battle on the Big Boat. I don't think there's a Riddler in here. I think it's just Joker. There are 2 Poison Ivy cards, and they're both rares. Oh, nice. Joker, Sword Fight. Ian, Battle on the Big Boat. Bat Clan of Haida. It was a disguise. I like this one with Harley dressing up like Joker. That was so cute. And we got a double rare. What did we get? Oh, we got a double rare Joker. Double rare Joker. Still have not pulled any SRs or higher. Elusive Kitty is your climax. Thank you so much for coming in again, PokeJ. This box is just getting primed, guys. Fire J. Did I say PokeJ? Fire J. All right, and Hitmonlee. Hitmonlee, where are we going for your pack? You have 2 packs, actually. So where are we going, and do you want me to preserve packs? That was the hot J. Random and ripped. Do you want me to preserve the pack art for you? I got you 2 packs. I'll just cut it like I am, and then you can answer whenever. Don't be unsafe. Don't be unsafe. I'd rather preserve it and then... Oh, that's a new one. Penguin. Okay, that one's new. We've got Batman Sinking Ship. That one's also a new one. Another new one, Alfred Dutiful Butler. We've got a Bane. I'm feeling good about this pack. This is a lot of new cards. Donning the Mask. Exploding Barrel, okay. Oh, we've got our first SR, guys. We've got a first SR. Oh, yes. Yes, look at that Batman. Hitmonlee. Now, we don't know if it's 1 or 2 SRs in these boxes. I have no earthly idea, but that was a good hit. Good hit right there. Let me top load that one for you real quick. All right. Hitmonlee taking the first SR. And I am going to give you at least 1 preserved pack just because you didn't answer and I'm not sure if you want it or not. So at least 1. And then let's see what your other pack holds. That was hot hands, wasn't it? My God. These hands were hot for that one. All right, let's see what we get. We've got a Joker, Samurai Sword Fight, a Monkey Horde, a Nightwing, a Robin Hood, Red Robin Tea Ceremony, Gorilla Grodd, whatever. Batman Batwing. DPS, welcome in. Oh, that's our first Two-Face, and it's a double rare. Double R Two-Face. Some good packs right there. And a Two-Face coin toss. Heck yes. We take it. How you feeling about that? Plus, each pack does get you on the wheel for this CGC 10 Batmobile slab right here. So your 2 packs did get you on the wheel for that as well. I need to slow down and add some people to the wheel real quick. Pack 3, you got it. It is actually sticking up here, so maybe that is a good sign. I'm taking it we are not preserving. It's rough over there. We're on Facebook. Taking we are not preserving. If you want me to preserve, I can always pick it up off the floor. We are good. Red Robin, Battle on the Big Boat. We have Harley Quinn, Amnesia. We have Ian, Battle on the Big Boat. Two-Face Castle. Two-Face. An Uncommon Joker. And we have a rare Catwoman. We take a waifu any day of the week. And then your last one is a Gunslinger. So you got an uncommon and a rare in that pack. Very nice. Shields. Why don't you sell on Watnot, Shields? Oh, I see. All right, this is for Fire J. Not enough sales, I see. All right, we have 3 packs left, guys. 3 packs left. We don't know what might be them. Could be an SR, could be a triple rare, could be an SP. Yeah, that's probably true. So we're starting this at 15. Willie Styles in. We don't know what might be in the packs. We have pulled 1 SR, but that is it. So we shall see for science. For science. All right, Willie Style coming in $15. What a steal. 1, 2, or 3. Front of the line, you got it. Pack number 1. And Willie, do you want me to preserve the pack art for you? Absolutely, Willie. The pack art is so nice on these. I will be trying to get, because you guys seem to like this, I will be getting more of this. I know I can get at least another 2 boxes. So since you guys like it, I will try to get some more. All right, so let's see. We have Penguin. We have Batman Sinking Ship. We have Alfred, Dutiful Butler. We have a Bane. We have an Uncommon Harley. That one's cute. We have another Uncommon Deathstroke. That is weird. 2 uncommons in a row. And then a rare Harley status report. Very nice pack, actually. Oh, and then we have a Climax rare Trigger Happy. Very nice pack on that one. I'm going to sleeve the Climax rare for you as well, Willie. And I did throw the pack art down, but I did cut it right. So you are so welcome, Willie. Thank you so much for coming in for a pack. I appreciate it. 2 packs left, guys. I am going to leave the last 2 packs at $20 because I feel like there's another good hit in there. I'm feeling it. All right, and Willie coming in for another pack. Which one would you like? 1 or 2? 1 again, you got it. All right, would you like for me to preserve this pack art as well or no? I will cut it like I'm preserving, but you tell me. Nah, okay, you got it. We'll throw it down. All right, we've got a Nightwing. We've got an Armored Batman. That one is so cool to me. We've got an Amnesia Joker. We've got a Red Robin. We have another uncommon for you, Lord Joker. That is some nice art right there. I think that's the SP art. Maybe. It looks familiar. We have another uncommon for you, Yielding Fortitude. And a double rare. Wow, Willie, pulling the good packs right out of the back of the box. And then a coin toss Two-Face for your climax. That's a nice pack. Nice double rare for you. All right, 1 pack left, guys. 20 bucks. Last pack. And each pack does get you on the wheel to win this tin slab. It is a Batmobile SR from this set, which we have not pulled. All right, good night, Shield. Have a good one. And Willie purchasing the last pack of the night. Let me real quick, Willie, add to the wheel here. The last person I added was No, Not Today. Let me add. We have Fire J7 again. We have Willie Style 1000. And then let's see. Willie Style is on 3 times to complete our wheel. So I'm going to open this last pack for you. And then we are going to run the wheel to see who wins that SR slab. All right. All right, Willie, are you ready? Last pack magic. We've got a penguin. We've got a Batman sinking ship. We have a Harley Quinn licking Catwoman. Wow. Let's fucking go. We have an Alfred. We have a Joker, sadistic. Another uncommon for you, followed by another uncommon exploding barrel. Followed by a Red Hood Tea Ceremony rare. So this was only a 1 SR box, but have no fear. We have a chance to get another SR in the form of a pristine tin Batmobile slab from CGC.